Guys, when you tell you should service your hybrid battery, these are the reasons. Look at how dirty this hybrid battery is. Look at it. Look at it. And then look at the corrosion on this side. Look how corroded it is. Look at it. Look at it. Now look at this terminal. The one that now takes the power to the engine. You see how dirty it is? And these are the reasons right here. Look at the other side. Look at the other side. Look how it is. This is why I tell you most of the times, kindly service your hybrid battery. Now you can see now this battery has been bringing heating problems, and the code is saying you replace this hybrid battery. But first of all, you're going to service it and see how it's going to be.